Good morning, guys. It's 5 o'clock. I said I had to go to work early, and what a beautiful sunset. I don't know what today's gonna bring, but I know I'm gonna get a busy day at work, so let's get going. That was not the plan. I ended up falling asleep an hour after I got home from work. And the only reason I woke up was because a lady called me because she needed my help. I must have needed it. I can't say more than that. Hi. Well, oh, careful. It's tippy there. Time is 6:30. And hello, chat. Turns out she managed to get everything up working before I got down there, so we just drank a soda. And then I went by a grocery shop to buy an ice cream, big ice cream, and some Rodalone, which is to remove smell. I use it in my washing machine for removing smell from clothes. And then I came home and I'm a sweaty mess. So I'm gonna end the vlog here and get it edited and just sit on my butt and do nothing because my hips are hurting like crazy. What? Yeah. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, a little bit of notification, and throw on that like. See you guys tomorrow. Good night.